So what we've got here is an example of an augmented project that we've used. This is a concept of what we can actually play around with and what we can actually use. So as you can see here on my iPhone, which is probably the preferred method, not everybody actually has an iPad, so we can actually use an iPhone or even an Android phone to do this same thing. So if we zoom up on closer here, because we've actually set up the restaurant logo as the item that we've used as the image target, the trigger, we can actually use that to trigger all these different icons. So we've got a number of different icons there. If I just click on the mail, it opens up an email system. I can cancel that, delete my, open back up Geneo. I can then click on the slideshow. It's loading content. These are just some example images that we've actually put up. It actually becomes a slideshow that sits over the top of that item. So we'll just let that load for a moment. There's our icons, or different images, so you can put any type of image up there that you may wish to use. Then you can just click out of that as well and move back onto those icons. We've got a telephone button there. So we're now dialing the restaurant. We'll click out of that. We've also got the website, so we're also able to go to a website as well without actually having to type in that web address as well. So we'll click back out of that. And we've also got a text button, so we can actually send a text message as well. So a number of different icons, different features that we can actually use. And one of the biggest things with this project and with using the image base for augmented reality is that it does take time to actually play around with each of these icons to make sure that they are the right size, they are in the correct position, that they do all line up as well. So it does take a little bit of time and practice, and it's a matter of being able to play with each one of these icons too. So as you can see, it still jumps around, but as we zoom in, we're also able to see them a little bit bigger as well.